Guys, I have to come to you with another emergency video. So Shiba Inu did not end up bouncing back. The buyers did not take Shiba Inu back. And so what we are seeing is a further crash. Even this very moment, we are starting to see Shiba Inu head further and further. So Shiba Inu is most likely going to head a bit further, maybe even much further. And in this video, I'm going to be exploring to you the possibilities of what could be happening for Shiba Inu next. And not only are we going to be talking about Shiba Inu, but we have the altcoin season. The altcoin season is here. It is almost here, which means that the altcoins will be going crazy. We're going to be talking about that. This guy is saying that Bitcoin is going to peak at $250,000. Ethereum is going to be peaking at $22,000 per coin. There is so many things we need to talk about, so make sure you watch this very video until the absolute end because there is so much information that you cannot miss. What's up, Myles? It is ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe right now with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos where I call out huge plays for free even on this channel. Also, if you love cryptocurrencies, make sure you show love by smashing up the like button. I really appreciate all the love and the support that you guys have for this channel, and I love you guys so much. But also, let me know in the comments below, are you selling Shiba Inu right now? What did you do with your Shiba Inu? Are you still holding it? Did you move it to some other crypto? Let's go ahead and discuss and talk about that in the comments below. And also, if you want to get those trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon right now while you can for only $10 a month. In the Patreon, you get access to my hidden updates, technical analysis. I keep you guys informed at every second of the way. And also, there's other tiers within the Patreon where you can talk to me on the phone. I can build you a portfolio, teach technical analysis, and much more. The link for that will be in my video description. Don't forget, I am also giving away $1,000 of Ethereum. The end of this month, we will be doing a giveaway on my channel. On the video, I'll be showing you who won. But all you have to do in order to get that $1,000 Ethereum is to put Ethereum giveaway in the comments below. Like this video, follow my Instagram and Twitter. Use the links in my video description. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get started right now. But before you do, make sure you guys show love to Smiley Miami. His Instagram page, I will put his link below. When I came to Miami, he's a huge DJ down there and he showed love for the channel. He's a big fan of the channel. He brought me into the VIP booth, was bringing bottles. It was an amazing thing. He was bringing fans together. So make sure you guys show love, follow him. He is a crypto DJ in Miami. So make sure you guys link up with him, check out what he is about. All right, so we're getting straight into the content. So yes, I just showed you guys, look, Shiba Inu is heading down further. We were gonna talk about technical analysis for Shiba Inu in just a moment. Yes, we are. But before we do so, there is some very important news that I have to show you before we even get to that point to let us know even better before we look at technical analysis. So the first thing that I looked at this morning is the altcoin season index. And the reason why I am looking at the altcoin season index is because I'm also looking at the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is something that we've been looking at for quite some time on this channel. And we even called out for the Bitcoin dominance a head and shoulders pattern, which was a bearish pattern, which means that it's very likely that the Bitcoin dominance for some time is going to continue to head down much further. But Myles, what is Bitcoin dominance? What does this mean for any cryptocurrencies that we hold? Well, to be precise, the Bitcoin dominance is measured by percents. So what we are seeing is the Bitcoin dominance right now is 43%, which is a very low number. And what that means is that Bitcoin is actually being outperformed by the altcoins and that the majority of the money is not flowing into Bitcoin like it was. The majority of the money is flowing into Ethereum and the altcoins like Shiba Inu, DOGECOIN, and so forth. And to be even more simple, and to be even more specific, what that actually means is that when the Bitcoin dominance is getting lower and lower, the altcoin season index starts to get higher and higher, which also means that if the Bitcoin dominance is going lower, that the altcoins are gonna start pumping. And once the Bitcoin dominance hits a certain level, and once we hit a certain level in the altcoin season index, that means that the altcoins are going to start literally going crazy, making 5, 10, 20, 50x gains. Yes, a lot of altcoins will be absolutely going crazy because this also measures the FOMO sentiment of the retail investors. The retail investors are the primary people that drive the price of altcoins, especially the smaller coins. So when we are starting to see this, that means that the altcoins are going to start outperforming Bitcoin, and that we may that we may need to start getting a bigger exposure to some of these altcoins here very soon. But at any minute, because of what's happening for Bitcoin, these institutions and these ETFs and all these things coming out, we could get a dip in the altcoin season, bringing the Bitcoin dominance up, which means that Bitcoin will start outperforming the altcoins. But what happens in the crypto market and in these crypto cycles is that there'll be a month or two where Bitcoin outperforms all the altcoins, and then it switches where the altcoins start outperforming Bitcoin, and it's constantly switching back and forth. And that's based on the whales, that's based on the institutions and the big money, where they're moving their money. So we are going to keep a close eye on this, and in the Patreon, I let you guys know exactly what this is, when it's going to happen, what we should be doing. And if you have a certain tier in the Patreon, you can call me up and say, Myles, okay, now it's starting to head into altcoin season. How should I be diversifying my portfolio at this very moment? We do that in the Patreon. You definitely should check that out. But look at this. Like I showed you also in the beginning of this video, Bitcoin will peak near $253,000 and Ethereum at $22,000 this cycle if the 2016 halving bull run repeats. So what this basically means is that the previous bull cycles, the bull markets, this period of time in the cycles move pretty much exactly the same all the previous cycles. And if we are to move historically like we did back in the day, like we are seeing right now, we could see Ethereum hit that number, $22,000, Bitcoin $253,000, and we are also nowhere near the top for the crypto cycle. So once Ethereum and Bitcoin starts to hit certain levels, I will be letting you know when we need to start taking profits, securing some of our profits, still holding a little bit of a bag in case things go up further than that, so that we can make the most money and time the bear markets and time the bull markets so that we can be on top of every investor in the world. I do have access to information that I let you know in the Patreon, indicators that let us know if we are close to a cycle top, when we are overbought, when things will be coming down soon. And it is at those moments that we need to be very careful, vigilant, to be taking profits so that we can buy these huge crashes and dips as we have seen historically for cryptocurrencies. But because there is so much more people, so much more money, and there's actually banks, countries, and institutions now involved in cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and now some of these other altcoins, I don't think that the crashes and the bear markets are going to be as big and as long. What do you guys think about that in the comments below? Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move on, but before we do, make sure you get those 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 by using my WEBULL link in my video description below. If you sign up and deposit $1 using my link, they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300. See if you can get those free stocks and let me know which stocks you got. Also guys, a lot of my clients, a lot of my patrons, a lot of people that follow me on Instagram, which you should do with the link in my video description below, because there's a lot of people, there's a lot of scammers scamming you guys left and right. What they're doing is they're making fake accounts. They're not only doing it with me, they're doing it with any crypto or finance YouTuber. They make these fake accounts, and what they do is they go into all of my followers, they add you, they message you telling you that it's me, to send them money, to invest. Do not do that. Have common sense and do not send any money to any person ever. What I do is I tell you, hey, this is what I would do in your situation. I would invest in this and that. I would never ask you for money. So just be careful. We have people losing hundreds of thousands of dollars. I had a guy message me the other day saying he lost $50,000. That's a lot of money. And this guy was not very, very rich too. So what the guy actually did is he did some investigation into the wallet address that he sent the money to and was following a trail of the addresses that were linked to that account. They even looked it up and the account had $400 million of cryptocurrency in it. That is just absolutely crazy. These scammers are getting away with so much and it's unfortunate. Make sure you guys report these people, but it's very unfortunate that YouTube, that Facebook, that Instagram, they don't do anything about it. I try to message them. I try to say, hey, these guys are scamming. They're taking people's money. Give me a blue check, you know, so people can know which one is real or whatever. They don't want to do it. They don't want to ban these people. They have all the rights to make these accounts and message these people. It's very unfortunate, guys. It's very unfortunate. And if you've lost any money, I really apologize. It really sucks. People are losing money left and right, and there needs to be something done about it. But let's go ahead and move into the charts. Let's go ahead and take a look, see what's further happening. So Shiba Inu right now is at a deficit of 20% from this morning. That is not looking good, guys. It is looking very, very bad. Shiba Inu is headed for a massive crash, potentially. But after a huge crash, there's always a big bounce. So we could be making a small trade here. If we do start to see a strong bounce, we could make an entry and get out at like 20 or 30% and then see what happens at that point. But as of right now, there is no support. And as of right now, we are in a downtrend, meaning that we are headed down and it is not looking good. But to be realistic, because we're headed into altcoin season, because the market is so bullish, I believe that Shiba Inu is very possible, especially if you believe in the project, you understand what's happening behind the project, that Shiba Inu could easily surpass the all-time high in the next month or couple of months, even the next couple of days. So Shiba Inu, I don't think is dead, it's completely over. It may be entering into a bear market, like I said last night, for a period of time and then head back up soon. So that's just something to be aware of. Shiba Inu can bounce up at any second, but it can also crash much further. So you need to be aware of those, and you need to be setting proper risk management, having someone that can help you with experience like myself to let you know what to do in these type of situations. Now, moving on from Shiba Inu, what we are seeing right now for Ethereum is it is looking absolutely amazing. Ethereum is holding up very, very strong despite breaking the all-time high. And I'm still super, super bullish on Ethereum. I believe Ethereum is going to be at $5,000 here very soon, potentially this weekend. We are also going to look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is looking totally fine as well, but what we are seeing is a consolidation, meaning that it's trading sideways. So while Bitcoin trades sideways, the altcoins pump. When you start to see Bitcoin pump like crazy, you probably should start moving some of your money into Bitcoin to ride some of the Bitcoin wave, because if you would also look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, you would see that it would start to go up, and that would let you know to be more diversified to Bitcoin or into the altcoins. So as of right now, the Bitcoin dominance is continuing to go lower. We may find support, we may get a bounce in Bitcoin here soon, but Bitcoin will still go up. Bitcoin is still very bullish, but it's whether the majority of the money is going to start flowing and outperforming in the altcoins compared to Bitcoin. That's something that we are going to be taking a look at. And Dogecoin also is looking totally fine. I am not worried about Dogecoin at this moment, but Dogecoin is holding up strong. It is still in an uptrend. It's still in an uptrend, and I am not worried about Dogecoin at all, not by any means. So Mana ended up crashing down further. I'm glad we did not make a buy alert for Mana. What you want to do is, after seeing massive pumps, you want to find a crypto. You want to watch it. You want to give it patience and time to see if it will find a support level, if it will find a bottom. And then after it's done crashing and starts to head back slowly up and create an uptrend and have a reversal, that's when you want to make an entry, when you have confirmation, not just buying, oh wow, it was just at $5 and let me go ahead and buy back. You need to be very, very careful. And whenever something pumps up so much, so fast, you guys need to be taking profits. Now, Solana is just looking absolutely gorgeous. This thing is destroying the all-time high over and over again. And this is something that we were able to buy in the Patreon just 2 days ago. So if you would have bought near the top, near when I told you, you would be up already 20%. Congratulations to the people in the Patreon. XRP actually looking very, very, very good. XRP is headed to $130, $1.40 XRP. I'm super excited about it. We will be keeping an eye on XRP, and I will be keeping you updated as well. Cardano ended up trying to break out of this pattern, but we did get a little bit of a pullback. But I'm thinking that Cardano will be trying to attempt to break outside of this here very soon, because we are approaching now this apex, which means some big things are going to be happening for Cardano. So that's pretty much all the cryptos I want to be showing you this morning. Just give you an update, what's happening with Shiba Inu, what's going on in the crypto market. So if you guys got something out of the video, make sure you smash the like button below the comment section, and I will see you all later, keeping you guys informed. Have a good day.